Our manufacturing process is always on the front edge of new technology and learning how to build cars more efficiently. I interface with a lot of robotic systems, data systems, and interact with a lot of machinery as we build cars each day.
Here at General Motors, I'm a team leader in general assembly. We put the doors on with the bolts and the wire harness, then we put the front fascia on and check for quality.
I am what GM considers a people leader. I teach, train, and mentor other incoming people leaders on how to apply GM's principles and achieve business results.
I take pride in the work that I do because I get to work problems all the way through to completion, and I really like seeing the outcome.
General Motors feels like a great place to continue to progress. You can go from engineer to team lead to a group leader.
I have the support I need from my bosses. I have the support I need from my coworkers and my teams. We support each other.
And to me, that means that I can ask questions anytime, and I know that they're gonna take that question and provide the best answer they can to me. I think loads of other engineers should be applying to GM. There's lots of opportunities for growth and learning new skills, and I think it's been a really great company to work for.
The culture here is friendly team building. We're constantly looking out for each other on the floor.
I recently had a baby, so I had to cut back on some hours. I had some coworkers that picked up some slack, and I had my baby shower here. I didn't know. They planned for me. It was a surprise, so I get the support.
General Motors has blessed me with great pay and great benefits. I've been able to have 2 children here and 1 on the way.
From healthcare to retirement, GM is definitely growing and trying to become a better employer for their employees like myself.
This would be the perfect place for anybody who has a family and they're looking to really be able to financially support their family and have a support system at work that allows them to have a good work-life balance. This is the perfect place for you.
As long as you have a good work ethic and you're good at team building, you will succeed here at General Motors.
If you are determined and you want to improve and be a better you, then GM is the place for you.
We're striving to be industry leaders in automotive manufacturing, and that provides me a lot of opportunities to be a part of that mission.